Today's Tesla's neuter day. 26/May/2025.
Saan may oras oh? Alas 9 na.
Tesla's DESEX.
Kasa? Hindi na siya masit. Tesla. Tesla. Ay, asaho ni mo di gyapon na.
Before test.
Tesla. Behave, baby. Behave. Behave. Okay.
After 3 to 4 hours, we picked Tesla up from the vet.
For sale? 300?
Tesla's done.
That's his DESEX certificate. And this is just a post-op sheet.
500. 1. Pwede mong gunit. Sigarwasan ko ba? Hello! Hello, baby! Hello, baby! You're so cutie, cutie. So, hello! 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 Tesla. Ito Tesla. Oh, so cute! Bade, you hold.
He's very naughty, so he needs
He is.
That's his stuff.
Thank you.
If you do see a bit of blood, you can just wipe off warm salty water and just dry it.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bait him.
No.
For-
Not until the stitches come out.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
He's
Thank
a
you.
pretty clean dog, so
Yes.
that's good, yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye. Mababay sa ako sa Miming, be. Miming. You're so cute. You're so cute. Ladi, nagdugo lagi na.
Hindi ko na kung lagi ko salty water.
Pwede po tangan og dressing. Ano po dressing? Magadlok, no? Oh, Didi. Ayaw, anak ni. Put dressing on or...
Dressing?
Yeah?
Do you want to like tie something around?
Yeah, at
it?
least.
Yeah, just tie it, but just check it every here and there.
Uh-huh.
Just to make sure like it's not getting infected or anything.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
Isa rambak, sakit man. Hi.
Kalo, oy. Down. Okay. Kalo, oy. So, baby, kiss ko, be. Down, baby. Tanaw si mami sa imong tahi, be. Be, tanaw si mami, be. Oh, kalo, oy. Gitanggal man ang itlog, oy. Tesla. Akong nung gwapo. Akong nung gwapo. Hey! Come on, my baby. This is a hernia repair, pero murag wali tarong morning DESEX or neuter or kapun kung sa Bisaya pa.